Friends, open Picsart tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Now select edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is today's background. The first step, scroll up, select the add photo and select the model image. This is model image. Now we have to erase the background. Select the cutout tool. Select the brush option. Increase hardness, decrease size. Simply draw on the model image, or else you can use photo room app to erase the background. Now tap on tick mark. After erasing background, simply stretch out. You have to arrange it like this. Perfect. Scroll up, select the blend option. Now select the screen option. Perfect. Now tap on layers. Tap on duplicate, scroll up, select the blend option and keep it normal. Now decrease opacity, keep it exactly in the original position like this. Now increase opacity. Tap on eraser, tap on invert. Now select the restore, increase the hardness, draw the model face. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to FX, select the simple option, scroll to the left, select the low mo option, select the settings. Decrease the amount to 0, vignette to 0 and fade it exactly 50. Tap on tick mark. Perfect. And the next step, go to add photo and select attitude PNG. This is the attitude PNG. Arrange it in this portion here. Tap on tick mark. And the next step, go to tools, go to stretch, tap on wrap, increase power to 100, decrease the size and simply draw like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to FX, select the artistic. Now select the shear, tap on settings, select the second option and keep the size to 100 and angle to around 90. Okay, exactly 89, 90. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, select the restore, simply draw on the border portion. Now erase on the top. Now tap on tick mark. In the next step, tap on FX, select the artistics. Now select the oil painting, tap on eraser, tap on invert, select the restore option and draw on the border portion like I am doing. Perfect. Now tap on tick. In the next step, go to add photo and select the light PNG. This is light PNG. Decrease the opacity, tap on blend, tap on screen, arrange it on the right side portion here. Tap on tick. Friends, finally you have to go to tools, tap on adjust, decrease little brightness, increase little contrast, increase little clarity, increase little saturation, decrease little highlights, give little shadow. Not tap on. Friends, finally our special dripping photo edit tutorial is complete. The before and the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.